morning. Oh, hello. Good morning. We're going to the spa again. We're going to do Serenity. And then later, we're going to go have some walk. Breakfast. I forgot to bring my camera. Sorry, I'm not going to. So we're going to go up on deck 14 and have a good afternoon and relax. That's what we earned. Right, guys? Right. Cozumel. Tomorrow's Cozumel. Yeah, our port got canceled today. Oh, that's okay. We were gonna go do some shopping, but we'll do it in Cozumel instead. All right, guys. We'll see you in a bit. Bye. All right. So we are at the Serenity Bar, and we're doing well, nothing. That's what we're supposed to do, right? So we're gonna probably pull out our game called Fargo. That's one we like to play. It's pretty fun. And relax up here at the deck for the rest of the afternoon. We'll get some lunch at the Wok. I think that's what we're having for lunch today, some hot Wok. And from there, it's probably just hang out again. We'll see you, relax and see day again. It's too bad we didn't get to go to port today, but I guess the hurricane ruined the what do you call the bottom of the bed of the port. It was brought in a lot of sand, so they can't get it cleared yet, so they canceled. And so we're gonna do that Cozumel still, which is from last week. We were going to go to Mr. Sancho's, and we had a hurricane hit us, so we weren't able to go. So this week we are going back to Mr. Sancho's. So that's our goal. We hope. All right, we'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye. All right, guess what time it is? It's time to have some lunch. I'm gonna go. Unfortunately, I'm inside, so I have to wear my mask. So I'm gonna go have the Wok for lunch, and I'll show you what that's all about right here. I'll bring you right back. Enjoy. Alright guys, I have some Mongolian wok. You just saw how that was made. I can't wait to dive into this. I'll let you know how it tastes. See you in a bit. Bye. Wow, that Mongolian wok was delish. I highly recommend it. Wow, good stuff. So I'm headed over to meet some friends at the Red Frog Pub. We're gonna play some Fargo. It's a relaxing day, and then probably get ready about 5 o'clock for dinner. So I've got a special treat at dinner tonight. Chef is going to make us some Indian food. I'm kind of excited about that, and I'll definitely bring you guys along. See you in a few. Bye. We had fun playing Fargo. Now it's time for some dinner. Wow! Ready to see the movies? Here they are. Alright, we'll see you in a bit. So yeah, well, I'll show you what they're making right now. So they made fresh bread pudding.
Jorge here, all the way from Honduras. You know, he's pouring the sauce. You know what vanilla orange?
There he is. Oh my gosh, that dinner was so outstanding. I'm telling you guys, that was a treat. I am so excited. Thank you, Chef. That was amazing. That dinner was over the top. What did you think of that dinner?
I thought that dinner was the best. Thank you so much, because Indian is my absolute favorite food. So from the bottom of our hearts,
oh my,
we love you. Thank you.
That was so cool. That was so cool. I'm just telling the people on YouTube how good that dinner was. Chris, what did you think?
I am so full of such wonderful food. I can barely walk.
Yeah, I ate too much. I thought we were just gonna have the appetizers, and I thought that was what he sent out. And then, how many more plates came out? Like 9? And then that included the yogurt and all that.
Between the yogurt sauce and the rices and
gosh.
The main portion of the dinner was 7 or 8 plates.
Yeah.
At least.
Yeah. Crazy. So again, thank you very much, Chef. That was phenomenal. Enjoyed every bit. All right, we'll see you guys in a bit.